Hello everyone, welcome back. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Moving forward, in every video we're going to be giving out 2 mega boxes or hobby boxes, not hobby boxes, sorry, mega boxes, hanger boxes, I'm not sure what they're called, per video, moving forward, okay? The way to win these is you have to be a subscriber, and we're going to do a draw from anybody, from all the people that have left a comment. So after 10 days of this video being aired, we would do this live. Again, the way you enter, you got to be a subscriber and public, so we could actually see that you are a subscriber. And leave a comment. And then out of all the comments in that video after 10 days, we're going to do a draw of one of the, 2 draws of whoever the 2 winners are, and we'll be shipping these out to you guys. Again, we'll be giving away 2 every video moving forward. Thank you. I like to thank all the new subscribers. Thank you so much. We really do appreciate you guys tuning in. All our subscribers. Again, without you guys, we can't be doing this. So thank you. Today we're gonna open up the Topps Chrome Cosmic hobby box to see what's in here. I have been purchasing a lot of redemption cards from eBay from here, and then hopefully when we get those to come in from eBay, we go to Topps to redeem them, and I think they usually get here. It's not like Panini. I have things from Panini going back 6 months, and I still haven't received the redemption cards. But with Topps, they usually get here within 30 to 40 days of the day we enter it. And Panini takes... I've churned some in November and December and still haven't received a single one. So let's get started. We're looking for an auto for any of the QBs. Let's get started. Bonix. Is this Gates, Antonio Gates? You got Bo Nix, Elways, and Manning. That's pretty cool. If you're a Denver fan. We're looking for a Jaden auto, Caleb auto, Drake auto, or a redemption card. You got Moss, Tim Brown, Rice. He just lost his job. CJ Lord. It's kind of different. Drew Brees, Caleb Williams. All right. There's a lot of packs in here, but not too many cards per pack. I'll count it. I thought it was 6, but let's see. I don't like opening up so many. I wish they would have put more and made less packs. So we got 1, 2. Jerry Rice out of 150. 3. So there's actually 4 cards per pack. I mean, why? They could have done 10 cards per pack and had a lot less openings. We don't have to open up one every few seconds, but let's see. We got Ray Lewis, Elway, Refractor, and if that Caleb was a refractor, it would have been awesome. Another refractor. None of the rookies have been refractors. I'm not a big fan of Topps football, and the only reason why is they don't have the licensing for the actual team. So it doesn't show the 49ers, it doesn't show the Pittsburgh Steelers. I'm not a big fan of that. Then that means, you know, it's just any other generic like Leaf or 5-star cards, but just because the Topps, we paid top dollar for it. We have a gold something, so Will Levis. Oh man, you know, that could have been anybody and it could have been worth something. I just sold a Will Levis Prism blue, I'm not sure, out of 60 for like, I think it was $54. Okay, if you'd have bought that his rookie year, I think I paid way over $600 for that card. I mean, his stock just took a tank. This is Caleb. This is a refractor. Got Montana as a refractor. I don't know if this is worth anything. We're almost there, guys. We're gonna open up 7 more packs. It's only 20 plus cards left. This is out of 25. Out of 25. Again, we're getting these numbered cards, but they are, I hate to say this, but they are worthless. Like, I might get $4 for that on eBay. The Jerry Rice, I might get $2 for that. So, let's see. Hopefully we still have an auto, and the auto will make up for all of this. And there is an auto, and it is of AP. Out of 10. Holy smokes. Look at that, baby. Hand signed. AP. The card looks good to me. Let me see in the back. It's a slight. Oh my goodness, that's awesome out of 10. And then I pretty much dropped everything else. I'm not sure what was in here. You got McCaffrey and Bledsoe. You never know, man. We might get a second auto. Who knows? Anthony Richardson. And another auto. I mean, another rookie card. We haven't had a refractor rookie yet. Earl Campbell. 4 more to go. Sorry, I don't like videos to prolong more than 10 minutes. Rookie Williams. That's the first rookie refractor we pulled. It looks pretty center to me. It's pretty. Got 3 left, guys. Please visit our eBay store, Gracescardvault. I know I should have mentioned that earlier. You'll see a link below in our description. You could just click on it. It'll take you straight to our eBay store. We also have an Instagram page, but a lot of these cards will be sold either singled or will be sent to PSA to get graded and then put into our eBay store. You can see a lot of the PSA reveals. We make videos on that too, and we do post them. I like to thank a lot of the customers from YouTube that are going to the eBay store and actually purchasing the cards. Thank you very much for that. Steve Young, the last card. Let's see. Manning, Breeze, and Rattler. This one's not numbered. The last 3-pack we got, or 3-player thing, was this, and this is out of 25. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. Again, thank you for all the people that are tuning in to watch us. This is the best card we pulled. It's an AP Auto out of 10. Amazing. Thank you guys. Don't forget to visit our eBay store, Gracescardvault. Thank you again for tuning in. Don't forget to leave a comment, and you do have to be a private guy to win these 2. Okay? We do a raffle on all the people that have left a comment. That's how we're going to determine who the winners are, okay? Thank you.